and beauty of a bird in flight can now be yours with new Timbird. This amazing flying toy made of durable materials and with tear-proof wings is designed to last for years, and it's so easy to use. Just wind up the rubber band, press the button next to its head, and the bird will do the rest. Flying like a real bird, beating its wings over 50 metres, new Timbird is more than just a toy. It's a precision-crafted technical invention, patented and made in France. Relative to its weight, it is both more powerful and can go further than a jet plane. New Timbird will bring your family years of pleasure. Play with it at the park, on a picnic, at the beach, or even in your own garden. Millions have been sold worldwide, and now you too can enjoy the power and beauty of a bird in flight.